Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express. Sony Xperia 1, 10 and 10 Plus with extra tall display and 21:9 aspect ratio have been launched at the ongoing Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. While the working unit of Xperia 1 was not available for demo, we got our hands on the Xperia 10 and 10 Plus, which come with identical specifications. Both the Xperia 10 and 10 Plus have a 21:9 multi-window feature that lets users run two apps on the same screen simultaneously in a split view. The 10 has a 6-inch display while the 10 Plus sports a bigger 6.5-inch screen, both with Full HD Plus resolution. The company says that so far the 21:9 screen format is supported on apps like YouTube, Netflix and more. Sony Xperia 10 and 10 Plus have dual rear cameras and the 10 Plus runs Snapdragon 636 processor. The battery in the smaller phone is 2870 mAh and the Xperia 10 Plus gets a 3000 mAh battery.